Hello my viewers, this is Jason from Jason G Designs. Welcome back to the WordPress Style Variations tutorial. If you haven't seen the previous tutorial, please check it out as we went over setting up a theme style variation. Picking up where we left off, in this short tutorial we will add unique gradients. First, let's switch over to the blue-orange color scheme to show an example. Let's take a look at the pull quote block for our example. The way gradients can be used is as a background behind various blocks. I gave this some rounded borders to match with the theme's style. This is how the gradient looks when applied on the front end with the card styling. Now we can switch to the purple and bright yellow style variation that we will be working with. Let's open our purple bright yellow.json file from the last tutorial. Just quickly looking over the blue orange.json file, the new gradients array begins just after the colors one. So, in the purple bright yellow file, we can add our new array entry. I want to point out that when there are no separate gradients for our current variation, they default to the ones in theme.json. Our first gradient will be a white to gray color. Upon refreshing, I see that our style variation disappeared, indicating an error with our JSON code. Just like in the last tutorial, I forgot the innermost braces, which separate each entry. Refreshing again, our variation now shows up. We can also see where we now only have the gray gradient. I went ahead and added 3 more gradients, a complementary yellow and 2 nearby colors, magenta and violet. A copy of the gradient code will be in tutorial resources. Here are our 4 updated gradients. In addition to the selectable gradients, we have custom gradients applied to the search bar. After the settings object curly brace, we will add a gradient object within the custom object. From here, we can copy the light to dark and dark to light key value pairs from theme.json. This gradient uses our bright yellow color and transparent white. Searching for hex to RGB leads us to rapidtables.com. Plugging in the hex code for our color, we can get the RGB equivalent. Then we replace the black color value with the color value we just got. After refreshing, the search block now has different colors. The front end shows more accurately the look of the search bar with new colors. And that is it for our basic gradients. Buttons in this theme can also have gradients. In the next tutorial, we will customize button colors. Until then, please like and subscribe for upcoming WordPress theming content. Thank you, my viewers.